Welcome back guys, Inverted Rider. Today we're going to be putting exhaust onto the Ninja 1000 SX. Let's take a look at what we've got to put on. Here it is, this is what I've gone for. Now, I got this can second hand off eBay. Yeah, I haven't decided what I fully want as a final exhaust, but I've seen this come up. This was 150 quid. So this is a SP Engineering carbon 300mm long end can. It's got a 62mm outlet. Now I don't have the baffle for it. It didn't come with it. It comes with a link pipe. Like I said, this was second hand, but for 150 quid, link pipe and can. This is supposed to be £319 new. It's perfect. It's lightweight. Gets rid of the nasty, bulky original one. We'll get it on and see what it sounds like. Get the stock exhaust off. First thing we need to do, get the heat shield off so we can get to the clamp. There's a bolt on the top here, there's another one underneath there. So we're going to loosen the clamp off the bottom. You'd have thought that would be nice and easy with the fact the bike's only got 70 odd miles on it, but yeah. So let's loosen that off. 6mm Allen key, 14mm spanner. Just loosen this off and we're ready to slide the exhaust off. There we go. The wanger is off. Right. Let's get the SP Engineering on. Put the link pipe on first. Now, I haven't got a clamp because it didn't come with one. So I am going to have to buy a clamp, but for the purpose of the video, we'll be able to get this fitted. Link pipe's a nice snug fit on there. I have given it a little mock-up. Now this bracket here, this bolt hole was too small for the original Kawasaki bolt, so I have had to have a little drill of that bracket. That's the joys of buying a second-hand exhaust. Really, you don't get all the hardware. But I've got one clamp, which is the one we need for the end can, so we can slide that on. Like I say, I did drill that bracket out at the back there because it didn't fit the original bolt. It's a 10mm bolt, so I did have to give that a little bit of a drill out so we could get that in there. And that fits in there quite nicely, and there you go. First glimpse of what it looks like. Let's get it all bolted up. There you have it, one SP Engineering tri-oval 300mm carbon end can and link pipe.